I have designed a modern and fully animated login page using HTML, CSS, and a bit of creative styling. This page includes smooth border animations, clean input fields, and a stylish UI that gives a professional look. In this video, I will show you the complete code step by step, including how I wrote the login and password fields and how the CSS animation works behind the design. If you are learning web design, UI/UX, or front-end development, this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any part of the animation setup. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more creative web design tutorials, CSS animations, and trending UI effects. If you want more videos on animated buttons, login forms, or modern website UI, just comment below. I'll definitely make those tutorials for you.